Greetings, beautiful creatures. My name is Angel Nightmare. I'm just gonna let you know that I already did the foundation up to this point, so we're gonna start with the contour. I don't have any time to edit any extra stuff today, so we're just gonna power through this. I'm using a brown eyeshadow to contour because nobody's got money to be buying those $40, $50, $60 contour kits. I'm just contouring the nose and the cheekbones and that receding hairline. Put a little red shadow on the nose because I see girls do that on Twitter and it looks cute. So then we're using this $1 e.l.f. concealer to highlight, and I'm blending it out with this silicone sponge blender thing. Then going over it with a little bit of Fenty highlighter and powder. Then lipstick time. So we're doing a dark red lipstick with ColourPop. You can find links to all the products that I'm using in the description below, so please be sure to check that out. Next, we're drawing on eyebrows, mapping it out with eyeshadow first, and then going back over it with eyeliner. We're going for a high arch because we want to look fierce and more feminine. You also got to utilize that forehead space. So do your best to make these even, and if you have real eyebrows, shave them. But most of the time, your eyebrows will not be completely even, but hey, we can go back in and we can fix our mistakes. And also, if you have shaky hands because you had too much caffeine, you're gonna need to do this every time. So just going in and straightening up these lines and trying to make this a little bit more even. Look, past Angel is over it. Eye twitching is... Also, just to let you know, every single video that I uploaded this week, despite having fewer cursing words than last week, has been demonetized. So if you want to support your boy, I got new shirts on my merch store. Check those out. They're actually my shirts. Link in the description. So yeah, go ahead and support your boy Angel further away from the mic. So the rest of the eyeshadow that I'm using is from the Take Me to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm using their green and then going in with the shimmer green on the inner eyelid and then doing a lime green around the edges and then blending that all out. Everybody knows blending, yada yada yada. We're just gonna edit all that out. Y'all know that stuff. Just keep blending until your arm get buff, and that's how you know you've blended enough. Then we're just going in with a little bit of white in the middle of the eyelid and then blending that out. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. If you guys are enjoying these new makeup videos, be sure to leave a like, share this with your friends, share this with your dog, your grandpa, your mama, your daddy, your daddy's uncles, brothers, sisters, cousin, aunts, uncle, all of that, please. Using the same eyeliner that I used for my eyebrows to go on my eye. We're not gonna do a wing because we ain't got time for that. I got a paper to write after I'm done editing this, so boom. Look at that. I didn't wear contacts today because, well, like I said, I ain't got time for all of this stuff. So this is a really simple, easy, androgynous look. If you guys want to look like this or change the colors around, go ahead and do it. Well, anywho, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, smack that bell button, bite that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.